Hey guys, how you doing? This is from Liberty Graphic Designs. Today we're gonna be engraving some tumblers. Don't go anywhere. We're about to hit our 30,000 subscribers. Yes, I'm sorry, it's kind of noisy in here. It's because I got the laser running. But we're gonna be doing some tumblers because we're gonna be doing a giveaway to celebrate our 30,000 subscribers. We're very close. We need about, I don't know, 80 or 90 subscribers. I'm not really sure how many we need. Today is Tuesday, the 25th. April the 25th. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be engraving some cups that we're gonna be giving away for our 30,000 subscribers. So let's get to it. Okay, so I haven't done a test. This is gonna be the first one. So if it fails, it's gonna be all recorded. More than likely, the image is upside down. I'm gonna be using Cam 5's laser. This laser is pretty cool. We can actually lower the bed all the way down so we can mount the rotary attachment and then do cups like this. So as you can see, the base is way low and it can actually go lower than that. So if you guys are looking for a laser, check out Cam 5. Okay, so because this is gonna be the first one, since I haven't done a test, I'm gonna be running the laser at 30% power, and then it's gonna be doing 20 inches per second at 300 lines per inch. So let's see what it does. So that one's done, and I know a lot of you are probably laughing right now. I am not gonna redo another one, just so you guys, so you can see the mistakes that we do, okay? I forgot to cover this. I forgot to put tape on it. So I know there's a lot of you probably, laughing right now, saying, ah, that idiot forgot to put tape. So yes, I forgot to cover the tumbler. And I'm not gonna do a cleanup. I was gonna run another pass so I can do a cleanup, but since there's no tape on it, I'm just gonna go ahead and clean this one, and I'm gonna make another one. So let's make a silver one. This time I am gonna cover it, so let me put some tape on it. This is the one that we're gonna make, this charcoal one. So there you go. On this one, I did cover it, or protect the mug. But since this one has a lip, see how that's stainless steel? This one doesn't. And the image that I got is for something this big. I'm gonna have to shrink the image a little smaller. Then I'm gonna do a trace to make sure that it fits. And also this thing is crooked a little bit. There you go. So let's do this one and see what it looks like. In the meantime, I'm gonna clean this one with some degreaser and one of these pads. Okay, so it's done, but you can still see that it's kind of dirty. I'm gonna run another pass just to kind of clean it up. That looks a lot better. I'm gonna move the laser out of the way. So let me turn the laser off so you guys don't hear all that noise. Okay, so now with all that noise gone, check it out. This is the red one. It actually, once I cleaned it, it doesn't look bad. It looks really good. I mean, I can see a couple of lines right there, but it looks promising. It looks really good for me not covering it. I thought it was gonna look bad, but it doesn't. Okay, so let me clean this one, and again, all I'm using is just degreaser and one of these little eraser pads. That's it. And as you can see, I put one of those noodles. It's like what do you call it? A pool noodle. So that way I just slide the other one in place. So let me show you. I'm just gonna spray it just like that. I'm gonna wait for it to, you know, do its magic. Remove this tape. And with the second pass on this one, I mean, I can already see it looks a lot better. Now we take this pad. We just clean it. Let me clean this real quick, guys, because that tape is still in there. Let me clean it real quick and I'll come back, show you what it looks like. So this one does look much better than the red one. The only thing is that since it's gray or charcoal gray, it's kind of hard to see the logo or the design. But like I said, on this red one, even though with me not covering the tumbler, it still looks good. It looks really good. This one looks a lot better, way better. So guys, if you guys want a chance to win one of these, I don't know how many I'm gonna make. We're gonna have 30 t-shirts. I know that for a fact. We're gonna have 30 t-shirts. We're gonna have, I'm guessing, about 10 of these. Honestly, I don't know how many we're gonna have. But if you guys want a chance to get one of these, make sure you keep an eye on the channel. So if you happen to win one of these, we're gonna engrave your name live, because we're gonna be doing the drawing live, or the giveaway is gonna be live. So again, thank you for watching, guys. This was a pleasure like always. Make sure you stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and ding that bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. It's a pleasure like always. Thank you, guys, and I will catch you on the next one. God bless you. Adios now. Bye bye.